In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a space in Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to invite teammates to the right space, give them the correct level of access, and keep collaboration moving smoothly. First, sign into your Confluence account. Before you go any further, make sure you actually have access to the space you want to update. You'll need to be a space admin or have sharing permissions to add people. If you're not sure, don't worry. If you don't see the share option later, that's usually a sign you might need additional permissions from your admin. Next, open the space you want to work with. From the top menu, click Spaces. Then select the space you're adding members to. This takes you to the space home, where the sharing tools live. In the top right corner of the space, click Share. This opens a panel where you can choose who should be invited and what they're allowed to do. It's the quickest way to bring collaborators into a specific space without changing global settings. Now add members by typing a name or an email address. As you type, Confluence shows a drop-down with matching people from your organization. Click the correct person to select them. If you're inviting multiple people, add them one by one so you can double-check each selection. Keeping invitations precise helps avoid accidental access. Choose the access level they need. For example, pick Can View if the person only needs to read pages, or Can Edit if they'll be creating and updating content. Give only the access required for their role. This keeps your space organized and secure. When everything looks good, click Invite or Share. The changes apply immediately, and the person will be added to the space with the permissions you chose. If they already have an account, they can jump right in. If not, they'll be prompted to join before accessing the space. Quick note in case you need it. I've placed the official Confluence website link at the very top of the description, so you can sign in or learn more from the source. If you ever need to adjust who's in the space or what they can do, you can manage members later in space settings. It's a great place to review access periodically and keep your workspace tidy. That's it. Log in, open the space, click Share, add the right people, choose their access, and send the invite. Thanks for watching.